This is a 2020 4 Winds 190 Horizon. Comes with trailer, swing tongue, pop-up cleats, rear-facing seats when you're tied up to the sandbar, ski tow. This boat is powered with a 250 horsepower Merc Cruiser. Large swim deck, sun pad, bimini. Boat comes with all the covers. Dual captain's chairs. Ski locker. Bolster seats. This boat's rated for 9 people. Glove box on the passenger side. Large comfort bow. Storage under all your seats. Stainless steel grab bars. Lots of cup holders. Walk through windshield. Built-in cooler. Does have the bimini. .250 horsepower, plenty of power to pull skiers, tubers, water sports all day long. This is 2020 190 Horizon, built by 4 Winds.